again, Solaswell family. Greg Solas here with the update on the family front. The kids are doing great. Jack is busy as can be. I have some news on Jack, but I'm not going to tell you just yet. But Jack's doing great. Nicole's back in Hawaii, loving life, doing the island life is just a great thing, I think, for her. Surfs a lot, but she's working hard, doing great in her career, which is awesome to see. And Emily is back in Texas. She's back at TCU. She's loving life. They just finished Rush. So she's in her junior year, so 2 more years to go and they'll all be out of college, so I'm looking forward to that. Monica's doing great. She's playing a lot of tennis. I'm playing a lot of pickleball and enjoying our summer, doing a little bit of traveling. It's hot here in the desert, so we try to get out of town as much as we can, but it's been a great summer for us and our family. I hope it has for you and your family as well. Market-wise, well, markets have been pretty strong here. The equity markets are trading near their all-time highs. If you look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, both are real close to their all-time highs, which is great to see. But there's definitely some things going on here with the labor market. We're seeing some softening taking place. Again, this is kind of good news, bad news. The good news is now the Fed will most likely for sure have to lower interest rates. The market's priced in about a 90%, 95% chance that they will lower the interest rates by 1/4% this month. And now the odds are going up that they might lower them again later in the year. So we're looking at probably 2 interest rate cuts this year, which is good news. The market likes that. The bad news is the economy slowing down. Could we potentially be slipping into a recession? So the Fed's got they're going to be looking at the risk of a slowing economy. Their mandate is to have full employment and to have inflation under control. So that's the main thing that the Fed wants to do. The risk has gone from being concerned about rising prices with the tariffs and all that to being more concerned about the labor market. So there will be more focus on trying to get rates lower, I believe, to try to get employment stronger and see the economy continue to move along nicely. But overall, earnings look great this last quarter. GDP numbers still look pretty good. Again, are we in a Goldilocks period where we're not too strong and not too weak? We're believing and hoping that's the case. And that's why the markets are continuing to stay pretty elevated. So price earnings multiples might be a little high right in here, so expect some pullbacks, expect some volatility. Again, there's a lot of uncertainty still out there, so the markets don't like uncertainty, so it'll bounce around quite a bit. But overall, things are moving along quite nicely. So all is well here. If you have questions or concerns, obviously never hesitate to give us a call. Again, remember, November 7th, Client Appreciation Party. I hope you'll all be there. It's going to be a great event, as always. 21st annual Client Appreciation event. You got to be there. All right, my very best to you. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and God bless.